Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Alfredo sauce at home using milk. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 2 cups of whole milk. Don't forget 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Finally, have your salt, black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg ready to enhance the flavors. To begin, melt 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add your 2 minced garlic cloves and cook them for about 1 minute until they become fragrant, but don't let them brown. Next, gradually whisk in 2 cups of whole milk. Continue whisking gently as the mixture comes to a gentle simmer, ensuring no lumps form. Now, reduce your heat to low. Gradually add 1 1/2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly. This slow addition prevents the cheese from clumping. Continue stirring until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce has thickened to your desired consistency. Finally, season your Alfredo sauce with salt, black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg to taste. Your homemade Alfredo sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over your favorite hot pasta, such as fettuccine or penne. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of additional Parmesan cheese. This sauce is best enjoyed fresh. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, creamy Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.